Installing the roof rack crossbars on your car is a pretty simple process, and the only tricky part is removing these plastic covers without breaking them. I will show you how to do this easily on almost any car, with some exceptions. Basically, what we need to do is, number 1, find the locations of the retaining clips inside these plastic covers. You can do this by looking up the plastic covers for your particular car on eBay and examining the pictures. Note the locations of all the retaining clips. Number 2, we are going to be using a set of hooks. These are part of my 20-piece trim removal kit that comes in very handy for jobs like this. Carefully get the hooks under the plastic cover near the retaining clips on one side of the plastic cover only. Working on the inner side of the plastic covers usually works the best. Gently pull away the bottom part of the plastic cover and prop it up with a trim removal tool. Once you detach one side of the plastic cover, the other side should come off easily. Number 3, this method will not work on some older cars, no matter how careful you are. These plastic covers become very brittle from the sun, and you will inevitably break them. And if so, you will have to buy replacements. If you are interested, you can find links for replacement covers and tools used in this video in the description area below. I hope this video has been helpful, and if so, please click the like button. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.